सांगोल्डा गांवांत मायक्रो ब्रेवरी येवपाची आसा म्हण बोवाळ जाला म्हण थळाव्यांनी ह्या प्रकल्पाक विरोध उक्तायला। ह्या प्रकल्पाक थळाव्या पंचायतीची मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या। हो प्रकल्प गांवांत नाका म्हण थळाव्यांनी गृहनिर्माण मंत्र्याक निवेदन पत्र भेटयलें। 17 तारीख मेरेन ही NOC रद्द करपाचो आदेश मंत्री साळगांवकारान सांगोल्डा सरपंचाक दिला।
आयज सगळे सांगोल्डा ग्रामस्थांनी म्हाका आयज विलेजर्स ऑफ सांगोल्डा एक मेमोरंडम दिलेलो आसा आनी त्या मेमोरंडमान तेंच्यांनी एक मायक्रो ब्रिवरी सांगोल्डान येवपाक पळयता आनी तेका पंचायतीन तेका प्रोविजनल NOC दिलेली आसा। तर ही प्रोविजनल NOC रिवोक करची म्हणून असो डिमांड आसा। आतां थ्रू न्यूज फाटल्या तुमी कळ्ळा आसतलें, लास्ट ग्रामसभा जेन्ना सांगोल्डा जाली तेन्ना ग्रामसभेक व्हडलो राखस जालो पेपराचेर सगळ्याक इट वॉज ऑल ओवर द पेपर्स आनी तितून पंचायतीन आमचे लोकांनी द विलेजर्स हॅव स्ट्रॉंगली ऑब्जेक्टेड टू दॅट the micro brewery which they have given NOC to. आता हे NOC म्हाका दिसता for last 20 years somebody is trying to put up a micro brewery there and heka even the previous panchayats have not issued any license. Previous panchayats have gone to the people, asked people whether they can issue licensing, but the people have objected. But now I don't know why the panchayat had given the license, but I've spoken to the sarpanch. The sarpanch has promised me by 17th when they will have a meeting he will revoke it. The people's demand is that it has to be revoked and I will see to it that the license which is given is will be revoked. It is within the vicinity of 100 meters of chapel there and people are strongly objecting. The sentiments of the people say that it has nothing, no such activities should happen there. Ata itun kide zalele asa, the biggest problem there is not much parking it seems there. People have to park their cars all along the road. And the person who goes into this brewery or where the liquor is served, they have to come out literally walking and they urinate in front of people's houses. So all such small problems are there which people are concerned about. People have also brought to my notice that this road, the Chogam road, is not being done for quite some time, for more than since it was constructed, I believe. 89च्यान आजून तो रोड जावंक ना आणि हो रोड पॉटहोल्स काडपाचें आमी काम केल्लें आसा. They do not want a widening of the roads. Alternate road is already being acquired, it seems, by the government through the fields, and I'm of the opinion that we should opt for that road instead of this road. And wo road आमी जाताले maintain करपाचो, बरो करपाचो, and the road has to be done up to the standards that it will be there. We do not have to again do the maintenance work for at least more than 10-15 years.
Jayesh for standing with us and at least giving us an assurance that this is going to stop. And as he said, we are facing this big road problem. It's not just 1 and 2 years, but it has been many years. I've been born and brought up here in this village. It was a beautiful village and it's very sad to see what's happening in our village here.
जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन सांगोल्डा सरपंच प्रेमानंद कोचरेकर म्हणटा ही लायसनां पयलींची आतांची न्हय.
सांगोल्डा पंचायतीर NOC दिला म्हणून आरोप केल्लो आसा. वास्तवीक हो इश्यू 5 तारखेच्या ग्रामसभेक येयल्लो की आमी मायक्रो ब्रेवरीक NOC दिल्या म्हणून. वास्तवीक ही NOC एक्सायजान 19 मार्च 2014 तेका ऑलरेडी रिन्युअल लायसन दिल्ली आसा. ही तेची कॉपी. त्या उपरांत हेच लायसन सुरज म्हणून त्याच्या नावावर ट्रान्सफर केल्लें आसा 1 एप्रिल 2017. हे डॉक्युमेंट तेच्या उपरांत आमकां एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंटान एक क्वरी लेटर मागलें की मायक्रो ब्रेवरी हे सेटअप करपाक पंचायतीक NOC मागली. जेन्ना ऑलरेडी लायसन तेका आसा जाल्यार आमी आनी कशें लायसन तेका कॅन्सल करतले.
RDX खातीर सांगोल्डाच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.